Good morning everyone. Now we are going to see exercise 2.2 question number 8. Calculate the duration of time. So they have given 4 subdivision to us. First one we are going to see now from 5:30 am to 12:40 pm. So if the given value, so listen carefully, if the given value from am to pm, from am to pm means we have to divide this one into 2 sessions. 12 noon before and 12 noon after. Okay, from am to pm means we have to follow this method. So from 5:30 to 12 noon the duration we have to calculate. After 12 noon to 12:40 the duration will be calculated. Afterwards we have to add. Okay, now from 5:30 to up to 12 noon the duration will be 12 minus 5:30. Okay, we have to subtract here 0 0. So what I said, if it is hours, it is minutes. Minutes is less means we have to borrow from hour. If we are borrow, it will be 60 minute. It will be 60 minute. Here hour will be reduced to 1. So 11 hours 60 minute. Now from 60 we can subtract 30. So 60 minus 30, 30. 11 minus 6, 11 minus 5, 6. So from 5:30 am to 12 noon we have 6 hours and then 30 minutes. Okay, next 12 noon to 12:40 we have to calculate. So 12:40 minus 12. Okay, now this is hours, this is minutes. 40 minus 0, 40. 12 minus 12, 0. Now 12 to 12:40 we have 40 minutes alone. Now we are going to calculate total duration. Okay, now what is our total duration? 6 hours 30 minutes. Here you have to put hours, minutes. 6 hours 30 minutes plus 40 minutes. Okay, 0 hours we can put 0 hours or else write 40 minutes alone. Okay, whatever your wish you can write. Now we are going to add now minutes alone. 30 plus 40, 70. Hours 0 plus 6, 6. I said already, if the minute is more than 60 we have to subtract 60 and we have to add plus 1 with the hour. Okay, now 70 minus 60, 10 minutes. 6 plus 1, 7 hours. So total duration will be, total duration is from 5:30 am to 12:40 pm, 7 hours and 10 minutes. Clear? Again I am repeating, if it is am to pm we have to divide this into 2 sessions. So before 12 noon, after 12 noon. Okay, so 5:30 to 12 noon the hours, the duration will be calculated by 12 minus 5:30, 6:30. Okay, next 12 to 12:40 the duration will be calculated by subtracting 12:40 by 12, we will get 40 minutes. Next total duration will be addition of the both value, 6 hours 30 minutes plus 40 minutes. So if we are adding, the minute is more than 60 we have to subtract 60 and we have to add 1 with the hour. So we will get 7 hours 10 minutes. That will be the total duration. Clear? Next we are going to see the next subdivision from 1:30 pm to 10:25 pm. Both values are in pm. So very simple. So 10:25 minus 1:30. Okay, so this is hours, this is minutes. I said already here 25 is less than 30, so we have to subtract. We have to get borrow from hours. If you are get borrow, 60 will be added with minutes. So 60 plus 25 it will be 85. So instead of 25 we got 85. Now here instead of 10, what we have here, 10 minus 1, 9 we have. Okay, now we are going to subtract. 85 minus 30, we have 55. 9 minus 1, 8. So the duration between 1:30 pm to 10:25 pm is 8 hours 55 minutes. Very simple when the both values are pm. Okay, next we are going to see third subdivision, 20 hours to 4 hours. This is 12 hours format. Now they have given 24 hours format. Okay, in 24 hours format, the time is before and after 24, means we have to take 24 in the middle value and then we have to separate the session into 2. Okay, what we have to do here, the same method we have to take. What we have to do, we have to take 24 hours in between and 20 hours is before 24. Am I right? So 20 hours, it will be 20 hours and then after it will be 4 hours. Now we have to find duration between 20 to 24 and then duration between 24 to 4. Next we have to add. Okay, duration between 20 to 24 hours, it will be 24 minus 20 equal to 4 hours. Am I right? Duration between 24 hours to 4 hours. So listen carefully. Here we should not cancel. We should not subtract 4 minus 24. Okay, because after 24 hours, what we have? 1 hour, next 2 hour, next 3 hour, next 4 hour. So how many hours we have here? 4 hours. After 24 to 4, the duration will be 4 hours. Okay, now the total duration 20 hours to 4 hours will be here 1 4 hour plus here 1 4 hour. So 4 plus 4 hour, it will be 8 hour. Okay, so again I am repeating, if the given question is hours before 24 and after 24, means what we have to do? Very simple, we have to calculate up to 24 hour the timing and after 24 hour the duration. Next we have to calculate the total duration. Okay, now 20 hours to 24 hours, we have 4 hours. Next 24 hours to 4 hours, we have 4 hours. So totally from 20 hours to 4 hours, we have 4 plus 4, 8 hours. Okay, the total duration is 8 hours. So same thing you have to do in fourth subdivision. So do that question as your homework. So what we have to do? You have to take 24 hours in middle and you have to find duration between 17 hours to 24 hours and 24 hours to 5:15 hours. Next you have to find the total duration. So take and do question number 4 as your homework. I will meet you in next class. Thank you, children.